welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with show grid lines button here. So just one tap and we can turn them on, another tap and we can turn them off. As you can see, yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the preview we can see them. These lines are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And now let's move back to right corner button. When we tap on show grid lines at the bottom, we can get access to more of them. So as you can see, we have 4 options. Let's check the second one. Now the grid lines have changed to this view. Another tap here and bottom of show grid lines, and we can pick also the spirals from left or right side. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go to left to the gallery, we can't see them at the picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we need another one or don't need them, we have to move back to right corner and manage this as we need, or just tap here to turn it off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.